Where are you? You ready for your bath? Ready? Oh, no, you're not. It's bath time. You done? You done? You're clean. You're very clean. Hello. Welcome back to the vlog. As you see, I gave Clover a bath after we got back from the park. He was so dirty and smelly, and I'm so glad that I got to bathe him. He's like in my office sleeping. Like I've been in here, but he's been like having like Clover private time. Let's go see how he's doing, shall we? Sir, you having private time? Yes? Are you having Clover private time? You're almost dry. You dried pretty quickly today. Because I toweled you off very well. Yes. Oh, okay. I'll leave you alone. But today we're going to do a quick clean of the house because I need to get this house in order. So let's get started. First, we'll start with the bathrooms. Oh, before we do that, I got the groceries delivered today, and I just want to show you the biggest jalapenos I think I've ever seen. Like, can we talk about this for just one moment? This is a monster. They're all this big. Here's the other one. It's a These are monsters. They're like the size of like regular bell peppers. I'm impressed. Anyway, there's our brand new, well, it's not brand new, but our freshly organized fridge. We got the just leftovers at the top there. Got nut pods here. Actually, I'm really excited to try the holiday nut pods. The Nog nut pods. I think I might have to go for that. I might make myself some coffee, you know, while I clean, I'll have my coffee like in here. Actually, you know, I feel like, can I dip into this now? I'm gonna have illy coffee this afternoon because I had a lovely wrap for lunch that I think I shot a shot of. But we're gonna have illy coffee for cleaning motivation. I need tins for all the coffee because this is much easier than like pouring the grounds in here, you know? That's for the birds. The washing machine area still looks fantastic, guys. Still looks great. Just in time. Yay! You guys like this coffee? I love this coffee. I remember the first time I had it, I was at some cafe in Boston and I was handed a cup of this coffee and I asked the waiter, I'm like, what is this coffee? It's so delicious because it had no sugar, no cream in it. It was just so good. And he was like, it's illy. And ever since then, I have been an illy stan. We stan. Okay, Holiday Nog Nut Pods. We'll see how it tastes. See how it tastes. I think it opens when you, okay, there we go. Oh, yo, this smells like eggnog. Oh my God, I gotta smell it again. Oh, it smells so good. We're gonna have an eggnog latte. Should we make a little latte? Eggnog latte? Should I froth it? Do you think it's frothable? Let's try it. Oh, she's frothing. She's frothing. She's frothing, boys. Frothing. Let me see. Cinnamon. Oh, yeah. Okay, moment of truth. What does it taste like? Good. I'm kind of about this like eggnog latte nut pods life. All right, let's clean the bathroom, shall we? Another sip.
I don't even realize it's that time each year.
Hi! Where did you come from, Clover? Hi! And you come to inspect what I'm cleaning here? This is where you got cleaned just a few hours ago. Just a few hours ago. Are you gonna help? Are you a good helper? You gonna help? I would appreciate it if you helped. Grab a rag. Let's go. Let's do this. It's clean bathroom. I love a clean bathroom feeling. Do not underestimate the feeling of a clean bathroom. We love it. Like, I don't even know how he gets up here. Normally we have to help him up there, but like every now and again he makes the leap and jumps up here. Dude, I was gonna make the bed, friend. Can I make the bed, dude? Please? Please? You look real comfy. Oh, you're on my sweater too, also. Clover, James, I need to make the bed. I'm so sorry. Well, something itching. Something's seriously itching. I have to move you, and I apologize. I really am sorry. You got it? I'm so sorry. I have to move you because I have to make the bed. These things have to occur. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry. haven't put my laundry away from Saturday, so we're gonna put it away now. Put him back on the bed and he's very happy. Look at how cute he is. So cute. Oh, by the way, I didn't tell you. I went back for that magic star and I brought it home. It now lives in the bathroom, but it's so cute. I cut all the little brown pieces off of it because it had a lot of brown on it, and so far it's doing real well. I mean, it's only been here for like a few days, but look how cute it is. Okay, I am sweating, but we've got a clean house now. I hope that was motivating for you, and hope that you're looking forward to having a clean house too. I know you can get up and just tidy up a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!